So if you're watching this video, you might notice something a little different in my background. For years, I kind of kept this a secret. I don't know why I was ashamed of this, but I was. But earlier in my career, I was an astronaut. I have some post-traumatic stress about those days of kind of being on like rocket ships, going to the moon. And all I remember is, I was walking around the moon one day, and this was maybe about 12 years ago or so. And I just had an epiphany, and I'm just standing there. I'm like on the moon with my fellow astronauts. And I'm thinking to myself, like, is this really what I want to do for the rest of my life? Like travel to space and walk around, the moon and float, in the, in our rocket ships and stuff. And I thought, like, I don't want to do this anymore. Like, I'm done, and I remember getting back on the spaceship and taking off my helmet, and everybody's like, no, don't do that, you can die. And I'm like, okay. So I put my helmet back on. I'm trying to communicate that I wanted to get out of this world of being an astronaut. I wanted to work with lawyers, and that was really my passion in life. And so, fast forward now, 10, 15 years later, and that's what I do, and, so I'm not going to be ashamed anymore of being an astronaut. And I figured I'd own it. And so my wife even encouraged me. She's like, why do you like hide this like one photo, behind your bed? And I'm just like, I don't know. I just, it's not a part of my life that I'm happy about. And so anyway, she kind of encouraged me, and here we are now. And so you're going to see that picture of me in my astronaut suit, from now on. And, these were back in the days. But, I'm proud of it. And if you're an astronaut, and you have some of your astronaut stories, reach out, maybe we can kind of sync up. But, nowadays I work with lawyers. And so if you're a lawyer and you're looking to work with an astronaut SEO, reach out. Let's touch base. Thank you.